Lesson 4, Section 3, Documenting Play Area Related Incidents. While it may seem obvious to keep plans, playground equipment information, and other similar documents as part of your standard of care documentation, many fail to realize the importance of maintaining records related to play area incidents and injuries as part of their file. As discussed earlier, incidents will occur in your play areas at some point regardless of how well it is designed or how diligently it is maintained. Some incidents result in an injury to a child, which is typically documented as a matter of course by facility operators and other staff. Many child care facilities already have a system for documenting injuries when they occur. However, we recommend that facility owners and operators maintain a separate injury report format to document incidents specifically related to the play area. The reason for this is so facility operators and staff can properly document injury data in a manner that can help owners identify potential threats or hazards within the play area. To this end, the following information should be contained in the playground incident report. The type of injury sustained, a description of what led up to the incident, or what the child was doing that led to the injury, what specific pieces of a playground equipment were involved in the incident, what role the piece of equipment had in leading to the incident, identification of any hazard in the play area determined to be directly attributable to the incident, and follow-up actions taken to correct equipment or play area layout issues directly attributable to the incident. Logging the proper information will help keep track of trends within the play area, such as injuries that continue to occur on or around the same piece of play equipment. This injury report should be filed as part of your standard of care documentation packet. Reports should be reviewed frequently to determine any trends that are occurring in the play area that would require attention. For instance, if a particular climber has multiple associated injuries over the past year, you may want to evaluate whether or not to keep the piece of playground equipment, even if it technically meets the safety standards and guidelines. Tracking injury data closely can go a long way to future injury prevention and a safer playground commitment for our children. In addition to tracking any incidents that directly result in an injury, it's a good idea to keep a file of any non-injury resulting playground incidents. This can be kept in a simple running log of incidents and does not require a full report for each occurrence. For example, if a child trips over a wood timber at the edge of a play area, but does not sustain an injury serious enough to be notated on a formal report, then the incident should still be logged on the incident tracking sheet. For each incident, staff should notate the date, time, and climatic conditions when the event occurred, along with a brief description of the incident. It's often surprising of how many incidents occur in a play area and the trends that are revealed over time. This information will often lead you to modify the play area or correct hazards before a serious injury occurs again. It's important that you continuously review incident reports for trends and address clear playground equipment or design issues as quickly as possible. Being proactive in tracking incident data and addressing playground deficiencies will go a long way to preventing serious injuries in the future. In the next and final section, we'll be discussing other documentation you should be organizing as part of your standard of care packet. But first, please be sure to answer the questions at the end of this section, as well as review the associated resource information. Thank you.